Alrighty, welcome to my channel, SteveO the Window Cleaner. Today we're talking about an exciting new product, and that is the silencer. The silencer is a bucket on a belt tool holster for window cleaning tools. The tools that I suggest putting into it, I have right here, is an 18-inch sleeve. I have an 18-inch squeegee right here. You can also fit in a wide body squeegee in there as well, like a Ninja, a Super Channel, and they fit in there very comfortably. They don't get caught when you're bringing them out, and they also don't get nicked of any kind, which is super nice. I also like to put in, say, like a 14-inch or a 12-inch right in the front. Fits on the belt very nicely. Just slide it right on the belt. It doesn't have a quick release on it or like a belt buckle to release it, but overall it's super nice as far as that goes. The really nice thing about it is when, so say your washer sleeve is wet, so when you put your washer sleeve in, right, any of that water as you put it in is going to go back down in to the silencer here on any of the sides there. So if I was to show you this, so if you're putting your sleeve in and it hits here, it's just funneling the water right back inside of it. On the side, right back inside of it. And if it goes over that a little bit and goes over this side, it goes right back down in there. I haven't got any wet leg with this whatsoever. I haven't had any leaking from the bottom either. Overall, a really great product to hold your squeegees and your washer sleeves. Now let's do something just to show you kind of that it won't leak, and let's put some water in it and show you that. Okay, so as you can see on the bottom there, got a bunch of water in there. It's not leaking, okay? So it's made extremely well. This is all military grade material, and it's all made in the US. Now another nice thing about it, and why I suggest using an 18-inch sleeve, so all that water is in there. You're never going to find that you're going to have a water buildup in the bottom if you use an 18-inch sleeve. Now if you eventually have a water in there and I put this in there, the water doesn't even come over the sides. The nice thing about having an 18-inch sleeve in this is that this is reaching the bottom, so the water is not going to, you know, build up down there and splash out. If you have a bunch of water down there, you can easily open it up and just let the water out. I have been using one for 3 months. I haven't had any issues with it whatsoever. So it's been really, really nice. The material's held up really, really nice, and that is how it looks after using it for 3 months. I do rinse it off from time to time, wash the outside with Dawn soap and water, just flush it out a little bit to get the dirt out of there, of course, from like a dirty day of window cleaning. But overall, a really great product, a really exciting product, made in America, military grade, and you can find it now at windowcleaner.com. Have a good day. Bye-bye.